Alright guys, problem fixed with my TPMS sensors. Ordered new ones, put them in. It was still throwing that ugly light. You can see all gone, all four tires. Okay? If you have the Canbus 1 system in your car, I passed it up. The Canbus 1, you have an aftermarket radio. Okay? That's aftermarket radio. They're going to use one of these things. I pulled the radio out just for giggles, just to see what was sitting behind there. Found this. Googled it. It is a radio transmitter for the Canbus 1 system, or maybe Canbus 2, to link up these buttons, your whatever it is, Uconnect thingy, to get all that to work with the aftermarket radio. That's what this is used for. There was a red light flashing on it. I hit the reset button and saw that light flash. When that light flashed, the radio had crazy static. That's what led me to believe that this thing puts out a radio signal. Okay. Further Google on the serial number of this thing. Is that it? Yeah, CH11. That showed that this thing is a radio transmitter. All right, so exactly, I don't know. Nevertheless, that was the issue. I unplugged it, took it out. Obviously, the radio doesn't work. I don't even know if it'll come on now. Nah, radio won't come on. So, like I said, took that little box out, or the little blue box out, and took it for a drive this morning. Lights out. Tires are all showing, all four of them showing air in the right order. So if you got an issue with your TPMS sensors, you have an aftermarket radio, the issue could be a radio signal interference. There was no setting for this stereo when I looked up the instructions. So I tried every single, all the way up to 9, and it didn't change anything. My radio still didn't have much signal. None of these buttons worked. So I think here we go, buddies. Problem solved. Look for one of these if you have an aftermarket radio. But again, your issue could be in a radio signal. That's what those TPMS sensors run off of. And I think the catch form is the control module. So before you do all that, look for one of these. Try to find your radio interference, which, I mean, I got the radar detector. I mean, this thing. You get your cell phone in here. Anything could be stealing that signal. And then, causing the issue, which I finally got solved. All right, guys, that's it. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.